In today's video, you are going to learn how to use Sora 2 completely for free to create videos like the ones you will see now.
You were followed.
Pretty amazing, right? And yeah, you can use it completely for free right now instead of paying $1 per video generated. So you can start refining and optimizing your prompts before you move into Sora 2 Pro or Veo 3.1 to get the perfect video generation. So let's begin. The website we're going to be using is Digen.ai. This website offers you AI applications all within a single platform. The link for it will be down below in the description, and the guys over here have given me a code that gives you a discount if you want to purchase a subscription. So after you log in, you go into Create, and then you can click on Sora 2 Free. You can select the number of seconds you want the video to take. You want to select the aspect ratio, add an image, and type your idea. I always suggest that you just click the upload image option. This allows you to get perfect video generation. While the generation is happening, you're going to see your previous results and your current generation on this right-hand side. Also, these platforms, if you purchase a subscription, allows you to use image models such as Nano Banana and Flux Dev, so you can do improvements on your video. Look at me here, editing loads of videos using Nano Banana, creating some amazing assets and images that I use afterwards to generate a video. Also, they've got this video tab that allows you to generate videos with Google Veo 3 Fast, Google Veo 3.1 Fast, and also some other models that are internal to them. They've got so many things that you can do, and I have already generated about 15 videos. Now, why would you want to use Sora 2? Because they don't flag your videos all the time. And right now, on screen, I'm going to show you some comparison between Veo 3.1 and Sora 2 free version. So you are going to see a detailed comparison of these two models. Veo 3.1 you pay, while Sora 2 free inside Digen you don't pay at all. So look at this. So inside this platform, I was able to create some very nice advertisement videos like the ones that will play on your screen right now.
This little bottle, it's my skin's new bodyguard. Zinc Plus Daily Defense Serum. One drop calms, balances, and keeps oil in check without that tight feel. And the zinc, it fortifies your barrier, so breakouts and redness chill out. See the glow? That's clarity you can feel. Meet your skin's...
This is the Cloud Step 1, and I am obsessed. The upper is a feather knit, super light and breathable. Check out this sole. See that bubble? It's an airflow cushion that actually moves with you. The heel slips on without a fight, and once it's laced up, it feels kind of like a hug for your feet. Walking in them is wild, soft, springy, and bouncy. They come.
But also I was able to take an image and generate a product video over the image. For example, we have this zinc image that was turned into this video. And also I did the same with New Balance shoes. That's pretty amazing. Let's also see these video generations that were done through prompts. These prompts are freely available inside my free school community. You go into the link that says school down below in the description. We have already 100 students. Then you go to Classroom, you select Video Generation, and you open up Video Generators tab, Free Sora 2. These are the 4 prompts you are going to see on screen right now. The first one is a cinematic unboxing of a premium mirrorless camera. In this case, we use timeline prompting, that is a new prompting technique. So let's see what video was generated through Sora 2 Pro using this prompt.
Meet the focus of your next story.
Pretty amazing. Also, we have another rainy Tokyo backstreet at night with neon reflections and a lot of other things such as camera movements, sounds and mood. Let's check it out. And also we have this camera zooms into a circular iris with transitions of a company logo, spins, 3D emblems, so many things. Look at this. Finally, we have a storyline video creation using this final prompt where the characters talk between them. Let's check it out.
You were followed.
All of that is pretty amazing. And you can try it out inside Digen, as I've told you. You can also test out Veo 3.1 for your generations, but the whole workflow is very simple. You take an image, you optimize it using Nana Banana inside the platform. You can even generate an image from scratch. You can select the aspect ratio, and based on the image you create, you can save it locally on your computer and go ahead on Sora 2, test out your prompt, get some initial video generations on the aspect ratio and the time you want the video generation take, and after you find the exact recipe and the exact prompt that works for you, you go into video, you select Veo 3.1 fast, and you add your image. Maybe you can also add an end screen, which will allow you to make very nice transitions between two videos. But yeah, if you want the perfect generation, Veo 3.1 will be for you. It takes only 100 credits to generate a video prompt, and you can just click prompt enhance to optimize your video prompt for Veo 3.1, which is very powerful. So this is the whole process of creating high quality AI videos. First, starting from an image, going to Sora 2 to optimize your prompt, and this is completely free. If you're happy with the result, you can just take this free video, or if you want even better results, you can go in Veo 3.1 fast, all inside a single platform under a single subscription to get the best video out of everything. So now someone would ask how much it costs. First of all, we have a discount for you using the referral code down below. You can place that in to get a discount. And here you can see that only for $5 monthly, you can get the Ultra subscription that allows you so much generations. And if you do daily logins, you get 200 points. It's around 300 videos per month right now. They're doing very aggressive pricing to grow the platform. And yeah, I think this is pretty amazing. And they have also community rewards to reward activity. You can see everything here. But yeah, subscriptions are super cheap. You can get so many generations every single month. Literally, this is such a good platform. And also you can follow other AI creators to see what they have generated and take ideas and use that stuff for your own use cases. Like, look at this guy. It has so many amazing generations happening here. Check this video out. Let's see it together. Look at this. Pretty amazing. So this is Digen. Let me know what you think about it. Make sure to join also my free school community down below for more video generation tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.